Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve API integration with Zapier. Easy tutorial step. Begin by understanding what API integration is and why it's important for automating tasks. Identify the apps you want to connect using Zapier. Create a Zapier account if you haven't already done so. Once logged in, click on Make a Zap to start the integration process. Choose the first app you want to connect as your trigger app. Select the specific trigger event from the list provided. Connect your account for the trigger app by logging in and providing any necessary permissions. Test the trigger to ensure that Zapier can pull in data accurately. Next, select the second app you wish to integrate as your action app. Choose the action event you want this app to perform when the trigger occurs. Connect your action app account in the same way you did for the trigger. Map the data fields between the trigger app and the action app to ensure the right information is transferred. Test the action to confirm that the integration works as expected. After a successful test, give your Zap a name that describes its function. Turn on your Zap to activate the integration. Monitor your Zap to troubleshoot any issues and ensure it runs smoothly. Consider setting up multiple Zaps to automate various tasks across different apps. Regularly review your Zaps to optimize their performance and update any settings as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.